taking a look at this J World New York rolling backpack. They make them in a couple of colors. We went with black, of course. So it's a really cool backpack with lots of features. Great for anybody that's carrying more stuff or that's dragging more stuff with them than they want to carry. So it is a backpack, and if you need to, there are backpack straps on the front here. And this is actually shown up pretty good in the video with all the lighting. But this isn't necessarily, this is just gray. But when it's gray that shines under a headlight into reflective, so it's shown up as white. So it's got the cool handheld thing. You can extend it to drag it behind you. You've got a nice set of wheels that are just always exposed there. You can lock the wheels if you need to. It's got an outside pocket that's easy to get to. Keys and gloves and that kind of thing. You've got another pocket on the outside for pens and keys and a pocket calculator, that kind of thing. And then the main compartment, of course, is your standard big main compartment. There's an access port here to get to the works of it if you need to change something. And then for water bottles and quick things like a raincoat, you've got some pouches on the side. Handy strap on the top or handle on the top to carry it. And overall, very well made, useful. Oh, did I mention the bottom is completely waterproof and it's got these big knobs. So as you're driving around with it, no worries about it tipping over. The only reason it's tipping here is because it's on a table. And the wheels keep flipping off the edge of the table. But it's super easy to use, it's pretty rugged, and looks cool. Hope this helps.